it's Amina D-Rock. Thank you for joining my channel D-Rocks TV, D-R-O-C-K-Z or D-R-O-C-K-Z, whatever you like. Thank you for joining, and today I'm going to be doing a product review for Dr. Morelli's skin products. I think I started using Dr. Morelli's skin products from last year after Nachal, who is one of my laser consultant, recommended me. And let me tell you, these are really expensive products. Some of these are also like $106, $120, but that's what this particular video is all about. You know, sometimes you have to invest in expensive skincare products, but trust me, the final result is priceless, and that is why my video title is gonna be expensive skin products, but the skin is gonna be priceless. Let me repeat it. Expensive skincare products, but skin will be priceless. So normally I don't invest so much, but when I was told to buy this and I tried it, and it is a skin changer event. Like within 2 or 3 months, your skin completely rejuvenates. A lot of my friends, co-workers have asked me, what are you doing on your skin? And I would say that this particular product, I know it's expensive, but this particular line totally makes that difference. So I am going to recommend you guys to try it, but today I'm going to tell you exactly what all I use and which of their products I use. But before I do that, let me get to my introduction. So I'm Meenal D-Rock. I'm an IT professional. I'm also a model, brand influencer, and a life and pageant as well as relationship coach. And I do a lot of videos. Some of my videos are a part of healthy lifestyle series where I make a lot of healthy smoothies, healthy salads, healthy food. And I'm a vegetarian, so you would see a lot of those coming soon. And then I also have another series that talks about all of the videos that I make about pageant coaching, life coaching, how to build your confidence, personality development, and relationship coaching. For all of those who are suffering and going through rough times in life or breakups, I help you deal with them. And this is gonna be a part of my product review series. Yay! And I've done some other product reviews. Thank you to all the brands that have partnered with me, collaborated with me, or have, I shouldn't say it, but may have paid me for their promotion, but I only promote products after I've tried them. So for this one, I have to tell you, I have invested some money, but I love it. It is return on your investment. It's gonna be so good. So let me tell you, the first one that I bought is the Dr. Morelli cleanser. It looks like that. The light is too bright, but it's a cleanser, so I use that every night. So I remove my makeup with this. Then after I do that, I use their moisturizer. It looks like yellowish. And I'm ready to go to bed, so I'm going to literally, apply these in front of you guys and then go to bed. This is retinol. Retinol, I know that some of you guys may freak out because you guys may say, oh, I'm not that old. Why am I using retinol? But trust me, after you hit 25 or even 28, it is recommended that all of us should be using retinol. Well, I'm 30 plus, so definitely I have to use it. And you are supposed to use very little bit of the serum and all over, and you gotta massage it, and I'm going to show that to you. It is excellent. Please use retinol. Even if you cannot buy Dr. Morelli, get any other product, but an expensive retinol is a must. It should be at least above $40 or $50. Then this is the sunscreen. The reason I'm showing this is because I use 2 of their products in the morning, vitamin C and sunscreen. But I also use them at night. Now you must be wondering why she's using sunscreen at night. But they always say that even this regular light, it causes, like there is UV light releasing from the regular light as well. Apparently, I didn't know that either. I just thought sun would be producing that UV rays, but no. No matter what the light is, you still need to protect your skin even at night. So a little bit of sunscreen at night won't harm. And this is vitamin C in here. It is expensive, so I keep this one still boxed. The other ones I've already started using them. This is probably my third or fourth round because I started using them from last year. Look at this. It comes in this tiny bottle. And it is expensive, that's the only thing, and you got to use little because this is so expensive, but enough that you apply, and there's a way to apply this. You can't just rub it on your skin, so I'm going to show that to you guys too. And vitamin C, I not only use it in the morning, but I also use it at night. So you can see I have all this routine going on. So I'm going to now throw the box away. Without any further ado, I'm going to start cleaning my skin. So let's go to the bathroom. And I'm going to use this Dr. Morelli's cleanser. And I normally like to have my face massager, and so that way the cleansing is done correctly and all of your makeup is out. So all you need is literally a little bit of product, like literally this much. That's it. Because this is going to make your skin dry. After you've applied it, you can use your massager, the face massager. So you just kind of make sure that everything goes away, all of the dirt. Sometimes I like to massage it for longer, but for this video I'm just going to keep it short. Then you can wash it off. Make sure that you pat it dry before applying the skincare products. And you can see the difference immediately. I don't know if you can make out, but my skin is suddenly like really, like without any dirt. Like I can totally see it's very, very clean. Okay, now I'm going to take you back to my skincare room. Alright, so I'm back. So we just used the cleanser. Now I am going to start. So the first one that I like to apply is the vitamin C, the most expensive one. So I literally just take like 3 drops, and then the way you apply this one is like you just pat it on your skin. So you don't like rub it or massage it in. You like literally pat it on your entire face. So now in general I just let it dry for like 30 seconds or so, and then I would go on to my next product, which is the Dr. Morelli's moisturizer. Sometimes I even skip the moisturizer, and instead of that I would just use the sunscreen. So I would say if you already have a good moisturizer, you can skip this out. Although this is amazing, and normally they say if you're using a particular skin line, try to use the same skin line product. But I'm going to skip this out today, the moisturizer, because I'm going to go with the sunscreen, and this itself has a little bit of moisturizer in there too. So I feel that this is already dry. So I'm going to apply very little sunscreen. It is SPF 35, by the way. And this is something that you can follow in the morning as well. And again, don't try to rub it too hard because you just put vitamin C. In case if you don't put vitamin C, then it's okay to kind of rub it in and massage and stuff. Okay, now I'm going to use retinol. So, and it looks like yellowish. And the way you're going to use retinol is, again, this is really expensive. So maybe like 3 drops. And I like to apply it under my eye first. Right under my eye, because that's one area that we normally ignore. This one is where you actually massage, but again, don't massage it too hard. So always go towards like upward motion. Everything should be upward, and I think I've showed that in some of my other videos too. That would tighten your skin. I like to normally count 10. And I don't know if you can make out, but like look at my skin, it looks very clear, and thanks to, no, not the moisturizer, thanks to this cleanser, it looks like as if I put some foundation, but no, Now this is my natural skin now, and it becomes flawless. So you are going to enjoy all of these products. Remember, vitamin C, retinol, sunscreen, cleanser, and moisturizer. This is optional for me. I use it sometimes. So if you like my video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. And if you have tried these products from Dr. Morelli, please leave a comment. Let me know if you liked it, and maybe wait for 1 month, and then you know actually how it does to your, like how it reacts on your skin. Some of my other friends have used it and they love it. None of them had any problems. In fact, their skin is glowing. So I think you will have the same experience, but I always love to hear. So please let me know. And if you have any other products that you would want me to review, please comment on my channel. Right below the video, you can comment. And I'm also going to include the link in my description for this product, so that in case if you guys have to buy it, you can easily find this. And now that I'm done, I'm gonna go to sleep. So, good night. Bye.